Alright, guys. Right now we're just waiting. I have to use the bathroom real bad. Damn. Fuck. Alright, I gotta use the bathroom. I don't mess with it. I gotta. That was only. Oh shit, that shit's gone. See how they. Oh, it doesn't reject from that level. It's surprising. Now it did. Oh yeah. God. Dang. It's just like a huge rejection level. Oh my. Uh, the stock failed to move higher. That kind of sucks. Look, it's on a good uptrend. It's on an uptrend. Then I have to pass this level again. Come for the. Also, the other one. Yeah, the market's down. Look at that. It went all the way scroll up to that, so it's not really that strong. It's pretty weak. Retesting that. I mean, it's respecting the 521, but that's only because, you know what I'm saying. Doesn't look like any good trade right now. A lot of people go to Mbot. It's weird because I have it on my other scanner, but I never remember marking it down. It's from right here. Oh, I finished it below. $22. Let's see, it will dump. Ooh, it's from this line right here. This price action. $4 is trying to pass. Damn, huge. Oh, what the fuck? Some 446 on bottle was. No, this has to, like, if it's strong, it has to bring up here, maybe a micro pullback, and then continue to the 4, maybe to a new high of 23. I don't know. It's too chopped. Yeah, I can't trade it. No way this is on a hold. This is on a hold. To the upside. Yeah, everyone's looking. Oh no, they're not looking. But this is one until a halt. No way I didn't see it. There's a halt. I was looking at this one, but this one looked like it was dead. And I started shooting up crazy. That is a crazy jump. 612. Damn, it's a 708. That's basically almost $1. Oh, we're gonna see this one was gonna do because there's no halt, and that shows a lot of confidence. There's no way this one's gonna halt as well. Let me see where it is. Mbot. Nah, it's just stuck. Just lost momentum. I don't know how long it's been in a halt though. Damn. Oh my god, that's a shit ton. We're just chilling. Now see a halt on the way. They're zoned. Fuck, I wanted to buy the dip. This is gonna break. Fuck. Now it broke. Hey. It's like a gap. I feel like it's gonna break through. Yeah. Like $22. 31? Only asked for 15. Yeah, it's like a small pullback. Dude, I was right. I don't have enough funds. It would have gone down. 67. 93. Almost 20 cents. Oh, it's dead, bro. Hell no. And let me get in. I don't know how much capital I have now. I don't have 1,000. Probably shouldn't say it. How good to do that? Yeah, it's dead, bro. I mean, it's gonna make the new high, and then it went higher, but it just couldn't pass that. I'm seeing. Other than that, that's pretty much it, though. This could be a start or something. Yeah, I canceled the order. But look, you see how I broke the new high right here, and like once it broke the new high, this is pretty good. Now this strategy does work. You know what I'm saying? It broke the new high, 770. Took a loss of 31.50, which I was expecting less, but nah, bro, it took me out. We're gonna watch the replay. Obviously, I gotta see, bro. Oh, there we go. Oh, but that's not really nothing. I just gotta mark that shit down. All right, this was and I got stopped with my stop loss. We're gonna watch a replay. Oh God, I don't think we're gonna trade right now. What time is it? What do we know? Dude, I'm telling you, these trades are quick, bro. These trades are usually only like here for a while. I feel like you have to wait until another. Let's watch this replay. So it opens up right here. Opens up. Boom. Opens up higher. Breaks. And I'm like, look, I can buy this if it retraces back to 7. That'd be a good idea. Should have bought right there. Should have. It hit 7, refill, and actually going higher. If I end up buying it from right there, 710, 777, 720 maybe. Yeah, it would go absolutely insane. But look, we buy after it surges. All right, look, it's a new high. Like, we might break. Boom, psych ass nigga says, bro. And I'm like, cool, thanks. Thanks, my guy. Thank you. I appreciate the fucking disappointment in my fucking trade. Which looked good, right? It was like, oh, look, it's strong, new high stuff. Like, what can we do? I mean, technically, it's not doing. But look, after it does break, that's when the second break comes in. And then, boom. 792, not too strong. But I was like, damn, bro. Also, right there is a good buying opportunity, but you gotta be very careful. This was one I get that I would have got in. What was this one? Passing the 15. 740, like 74. I went up to 93, so I would have won like 20 cents. Because after that comes back down. I think that's where I get it around. Like you see, I'm waiting for that break of 71. Yeah, I got like 74. That would have been bad. I think it would have if I would have got in and if it would have broke, right? It would have broke 74, so I got like 20 cents, which isn't bad. But if it would have broke that, I think we would got to like 8.13 or something, like. You know what I'm saying? 8.13 minus 7, like 40 cents, close to 40 cents, which isn't bad, but yeah. But other than that, man, that's pretty much it, bro. We start next month. Next month is gonna be absolutely insane, bro. Next month we're gonna have everything more organized, much better. Because as you saw, man, I'm fucking organized my shit every single time when I'm doing my this, and this. So we're gonna have that 100% organized, so we don't have to worry about that at all, man. At fucking all. And might as well just do that now, bro. Because I don't want to wait later. I don't want to forget later. So let's go. We're gonna hop on. The only thing the market is open today and stuff, so we gotta be careful. I'm not gonna do any trades, obviously, because that's not what we're gonna do. Let's see. So we gotta fix our thing. So we'll take all this out, so we don't. Oh, it broke again. Oh. So yeah, let's just put the spawn so it's the. Okay. Fog, bro. Spawn. Boom. Boom. Alright, so basically we gotta change our settings order. That's good. Oh, what the fudge? Oh, it's right here. Damn, I'm slow as hell sometimes. Would it be too? Would it be? Nah, right? Cause look, the bottom bar, one first. Two. The divided by 2. Well, it was 800. Well, you only allowed. Oh no, then there's this, which is like, what the fuck? Like, that's too high as hell, bro, for no reason. What if we. Like, this is pretty good, though. Like, this is going around the bases I'm gonna be trading in. Like, these 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm not gonna be trading 2,500, bro. That's kind of crazy. Well, let's act like the $1. Because then after that, like, yeah, we don't have a number for that one. So now we're gonna mark them down. And first of all, it sucks that I want to let you only a few. Maximum number. Orders. I don't know what the fuck that means. Yeah, that's what we want, but stock rounded. Oh, they want MB. What is this? MVP rounded. I don't know what the fuck that means. We'll take that shit off. This is just the increments. 50. But we gotta like mark these down somewhere. And we have to have this up, bro. I keep forgetting that I have this and I have to have them up. If you guys don't know, this is my rules before I trade. It's an uptrend near high, bullish candle. Sorry, bullish candle, high momentum, a lot of buy orders on the level 2, green on the T. So this is what I first look at. I look for an uptrend. I look if it's near the new high, and then I look for a bullish candle to see if I'm gonna get if it's time to get in. Or is it high volume, a lot of order in green tapes, and that's usually what I look for. But I have to have this here. I wish I can have like every time I open here, it opens up. But I need to have that out. I think it's a very useful. I think it can help out. Look. Yeah, I gotta like have it write it down or somewhere. So I would say I can use my sticky note, but this doesn't even show up. I think if I had like, I mean, I have my notebook here, but I need like a pen actually to write these down. But like, where am I putting it though? What's the question of the day? No. But let's just do the math. This is how much we need to trade with, regardless all the things. But at least I saw we're only trying to lose 1%. I mean, 60 is not bad. Alright, let's go off of how much what we figured out. So when it comes to $10 or more, It's equivalent. We can't lose more than 0.20. I saw like that's like kind of the sweet spot. So I'm trying 250. 0.20. Yeah, that works. 20 cents. 0.20 cents. Now, I don't want to go 10, but anything that's around like $7 already, anything that's 7 or under, I'm willing to trade. 8 and up is kind of already too much. Yeah. And that. Shares. The $7 one. Let's see. $3.50. And those I can lose around like 15. Like 15 times 0. 14, so 0.14, that's equals to 350 shares. All right, after that's $5, because that's what I noticed on there. Because if it goes up, if it goes above $5, we're gonna use the 350 share size. That's as simple as that. Other than that, equal is a stock. Let's put that. This is stock price. Loss. Share size. When it comes to $5, how much can I buy? 200 divided by 500. But how much we can use for 10 cents? I know. Pretty much. That's how much. I mean, not saying that it can complete, but if it's a really fast stock, 10 cents is sometimes a little bit. But we're gonna put that 0.10 cents. That equals to 500 shares. 0.10, bro. After that, it will be $3. Because 4, if it's right between 4 and stuff, that's no point. But after that's 3. These are the ones that do matter a little bit to me. Which is gonna be $3. Now I want to say matter, but this is usually the price the stocks are at, which kind of little matters. Want to get the most out of. So when I said $3, 2,400 divided by 3, about 800 shares times 0.05. Okay, I can do more than that. 6. I only can do 6 cents. 0.06, which equivalents to 800 shares. Now it's $2. Yes, we're going a little bit less. $2. When it comes to $2, because $2, they're movers, bro. I'm telling you, like $2 are movers. I'm not saying that you can't get less, but like I say 5 cents. Anything that 3 cents, it's kind of too low, bro. I'm not gonna lie. 1,000, I might have to only share with 1,000 shares on these ones, which isn't bad, but I'm not gonna be maximizing the most I can, which is fine because we gotta minimize the risk. Because with $3, 6 cents is still like okay. With this at least 5 cents, bro. More. Yeah, kind of. 3 cents. Yeah, around like five. Five would have been good. I mean, five is pretty decent. It's not too low, but it's not too high either. This is where it gets a little bit tricky when it comes to $2 and $1. The $1, I think I know for sure. The one that equals, because anything under $1, that's what I would be trading. Oh fuck! Because anything above $1 is gonna be the other one that I'm trading. Oh fuck! Yeah. Mm. 4. I mean, 4 is a little bit less. I guess I could do 4 cents. It's a little bit less than I want, but it still can work. Oh fuck! I fucked it up. No, bruh. I was doing so well. I'll fuck up the process. Alright, so be there now, we know what we're doing now. 10. That equals 0.20 cents, which equals 250 shares. Now 7. This equals 0.14 equals 350 shares. Now it's $5. 5 equals 0.10. 10, which equals 500 shares. This one's about to break. A break right there. Oh, it's taking a while. I don't know. Damn. thought y'all be interested. Oh shit. This one just that's random. 350. Boom. 500 shares. When it comes to $3, alright. $3 equals 0.06, which equals 800 shares. Yeah, and then $2. $2 it is. $2 equals 0.04, which equals 1,250. I wish I had like a screen that you can see what I'm looking at, but y'all gonna just see the charts. But you'll understand what I'm doing. I mean, I kind of told you guys I'm kind of showing my lifestyle. I'm not right now. It's the $1. I gotta figure $1 that. I do want to do it with 3 shares. I wonder. I do wonder. It's 1,100, which if that was even 0. $2,000, like 2,000. It's a little more tricky. What the fuck? This one's just Look at that. It broke and then it went straight down to the grade. The stock is not strong at all. We don't want to trade that one. Let's go to pop. Only if I do trade with only 2,000 shares, what will be my risk? 2 cents. That's like nothing. 3 is like kind of like the perfect spot. Can we even do that? .025. Well, we can. technically speaking, we can do that. The question is if I want to do that. I mean, it will be an odd number, but I'll be losing what I'm wanting to lose. Just 2,000 isn't. That's the only thing. Is like, what can I'm trying to minimize risk, but like when it comes to these literal penny of fucking stocks, it don't make too much of a difference. Fuck, we'll put 2,000, but we'll keep that risk, that one right there, because I think it's. Which equals 2,000 shares. I gotta write shares on these. And we have our order. Do we have most of these up here? 250. We don't have 350. But the thing is, they all go by 50 basis. So that is probably our best. This one is a little bit too much of my comfort. This has to go over at 2,000. If we could put. I think it does change when you put increments. Cause yeah, it doesn't even have most of the ones I'm looking for. So, oh shit. I'm goofy. 25 isn't bad. Apply. Never mind. That does not change shot or shite. Oh. I thought it would, but it doesn't. The increment doesn't change anything. Let's keep it at 50. Apply application. No, dude. I didn't want this to go away. This. Don't even know where to start, bro. What the flip? Anyways, let's say 200. Because I can just put 200 to 250 or. But, alright. 600? Bro. Why it goes to 600 for two? Technically, we have that one. This one we don't have. This one we're off. And this one we're off. That's what I'm saying, bro. Which you can customize the way how you want it. Why have to be a little bit difficult? It might just be in my. There probably is a way to customize, but I don't know if there is, because this is the basic. It says order place may be rejected if the order is not equal to the minimum, but yeah, fuck that shit. What the hell? Now that shit ass. We'll do 225. Let's see if that does anything. 225. I mean, it looks funny. I'm not gonna lie. So when there's 10 shares, I could just buy this one. About to go up 25, bro. 25. This one. Why is this? Oh no, it's not a percentage. So I go 600. I want to get an 800. Can I? I could not get to 800 pretty fucking smooth. That kind of fucking sucks. 125. And I just have to lose 10, 5. Bruh. Let's do 220. But y'all don't understand how hard this is to set up. It's just so I can have the closest numbers to the one I'm marking down right now. So if it's this one, so it's 2. I need to get to 220. I get a 250. I have to mark this one down. This one, I have to mark it down as well. This one won't be the problem. I can get to 122. This one as well. It should go to 2 grand, but this one I can get to 2,000 pretty quickly as well. It's kind of ass, I'm not gonna lie. I think that my favorite one was probably the original one, man. The very, very original one, which was 250 by 50 increments. It goes a lot high, but look, we have this one. This one is, we have this, and we have this one, 800. And we're 250. So we have the closest. So we have the 250 for $10. The ones that we do at the Chris was $7, but we can get that today here. And then we need 500, which we can get to 500. 800, literally right here. I just have to mark it a little bit more higher. Boom. When it comes to $2, easily you can mark 250, and then 2,000 is this one, but we have to go down quite a bit, which is right here. I mean, yeah, it works, bro. It works, but that means we gotta keep our notebook to the side of us, not under us. But I can keep this. But this has to be this. This has to be over here, and I have to look at it, bro. It has to be right here. So when I need to check, I'll be right here, so I can just pick it up. But things you can't even see though. You didn't have to go pick it up. Like I have to see for each one, but this has to be. Where the fuck can I put this? And I can still see how I can grab it. The only place is right there. That's the only place. Who knows if I'm able to see that there? None of my sticky note, bro. It's just climbing up. This is good. 11. Oh, it's still in the middle. Oh, it's kind of slow though. Who passes it? What's up? Pretty much, I have it right down. Or if not, I gotta remember to keep my sticky note up. I'll make a sticky note as well. So, see, you guys will see what I have wrote down. We're gonna add another one, which is other one's gonna be basically the ones that we're looking at, which is gonna be, I guess, position sizing. I guess it's called. My phone fell. It's all good though. Position. I need capital sizing. Bulky. And we want these. Alright, now I need to bulk that one again. There we go. So let's let them down, right? That's how I have it down. Oh shit, we do not want to have these bulk. These are for the $10. That equals 0.0.20. What is that? 0. Should I have that? Yeah, that's not that. 0.20, which equals 200 250. What if I have an extra shares? Yeah, let's have it separate. Now after that, it is our $7. Okay. Money sign. This is no, I mean 7. Yeah, 7, which equals 0.14, which equals only 350 shares. Boom. Now it's 5, which equals 0.10, which equals 500. Yeah, 500 shares. After that's 3 bands. 3 equals 0.06, which equals 800 shares. Now the 2 bands, $2, equal 0.04, which equals, it's quite a bit, 1,000. 2. Did I come out yet? 250. Whoops. Shares. And last one is $1. What the fuck? Which is money sign. $1 equals, whoops, equals 0.025, which equals 2,000 shares. There you go, guys. So this is my position sizing. Basically what that means is basically how much I'm willing to lose from the amount of shares I have, right? So that means on a stock that's for $10, I'm only willing to lose 20 cents of 250 shares, right? For a $7 one, I'm only willing to lose 14 cents for 350 shares. It's the same thing here. 5, you see the point, right? 5, only reason to lose 10 cents of 100 shares, and so on, so on. So this is basically our kind of formula, the one we're kind of cooking up right now. Yeah. So this is what we're working with. It's a lot, but trust me, guys, this is what helps me a lot, just to keep tracking. Every single one is gonna be neatly organized. Like I said, mostly songs that I trade of are usually the $5 and under. That's why this was a little bit more tighter when it comes to 1, 2, 3, and then 4. I mean, hard to see them, but I'll trade anything from the $5 for 5. And then when you come up to here, to $7, 10. I mean, I really don't like trading these. These are a little bit too more volatile. Not volatile, but it's like. I mean, I guess you say it ranges a lot quicker, and it's just not as smooth as these right here. It's not as smooth. I personally I like trading anything that under $5, but I would trade occasionally the $10 to $7 occasionally. But if I end up but anything above $10, I'm not gonna trade. I'm not gonna waste my time on. It's just $10 and under is the only stocks that the stock is above, even if it's fucking $10.01. Bro, I'm not trading it. We're only trading anything under $10. This is our trading. You know what I'm saying? This is my position sizing. There you go. We have our rules. So we got both of these right here. You see, got both of these. All right. The chemical coming back up. But basically, these are one of the 2 most important things I need to see when I'm trading, bro. Because first of all, I need this for my position sizing, and I need this for what I'm ready for. So this is more like my risk management. This is more my setup, my strategy, my plan. Everything has a spot in place for to even put that order in. And this is the fucking risk management. This is basically what's like, hey man, this is how much I'm willing to punt. This is how much I want to punt and lose if it doesn't go my way. You know what I'm saying? I'll move on. Life goes on. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I'm willing to punt and nothing more or less. Like I said, but other than that, that's pretty much it though, guys. Like I'm telling you, do this. Trust me, guys. It improves your trading a lot. Do I want to watch some videos, bro? I'm not even in streaming in a while, bro. Because to be honest, guys, there's a lot of things I gotta learn, and one of the things is I gotta learn how to fucking what's it called? Hold on, I'm looking at a stock, but I need to chill, bro. I'm looking at this stock right here. This stock, I'm like, damn, I went from 37 to 44. That's pretty good. It's in a zone. I probably who lives in a pineapple under the sea. But that's crazy. But how that shit dropped all the way to 144? Dang, if I was saying like, oh, we can hold real quick, but it's kind of chopped, bro. I mean, I don't know if it's on an uptrend. I mean, it is technically speaking because I'm making lower lows. If you see, the channels are kind of like upwards and stuff. This just looks sloppy. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That shit just chop. It should just chopped as fuck. Until it breaks a level, it could fucking explode. Which it tried to, and look what happened. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. No, I need to sneeze. Oh, fuck, man. But I'm not gonna lie. What I see myself trading the most is breakout trade and making sure. So I need to learn the micro pullback. I gotta learn the micro pullback. I wonder if they both show up if I like click on it. No, just this one. Oh no! I don't want another one. I want a different. This one comes on now. No, bro. I want one that just. I need the page one, bro. Hold on. Where are the settings for this shit? Settings. List notes. No, bro. Where's the settings at? Wait, let's take it off. What happens if I open this up now? That same shit happens. What the fuck? What the fuck is this, man? I want my shit that shows up both. Dark. Light. Use Windows mode. All catched up. Sign. All catched up. Sign now. What the fuck? No. Enable insight. Most insights. Dude, what the fuck, man? This shit doesn't make sense, man. Why do I have sticky notes that don't make sense to me, bro? I have it in the taskbar, bro. Enable taskbar. Now I want to have it like in the. This is the new fucking list. So if I click note list, boom, it's right there. This has to show up too, man. Do I have to double click? There you go. That's what I want. That's what I want when I say I want both of these, and then we can have these. Let's go on YouTube, bro. We're gonna watch some videos of trading again. We have it in the paper as well, so in case I want. Oh shit! All right. Momentum strategy. Breakout trading strategy. Let's see. How many? Hold on. Let's see what headphones at. I know, I put them on the side, yeah. Oh, God. Today's 29. Tomorrow, at least, tomorrow have to get at least a fucking haircut. Damn, my glasses, bro. With my contact lens, I do. Oh. Do some studying. My phone. What's this? Oh yeah. Yeah. Momentum trading after 30 years. Trend line support. Listen, like I've seen this one. Most popular squeeze momentum indicator. No indicator, bro. Just literally strict. No, pretty much. This breakout strategy will create millionaires. What? You're lying. Bro, I need some from Warrior Trader, bro. Let me see. Warrior. Is Warrior Traders or Warrior Trading? Making 10 plus million. This is my strategy. I think this is bro strategy. I'm not gonna lie. From a year ago. Avoid fake breakouts. Facts. Are you using VWAP? The holy indicator you. Does he talk about he talks about trust indicators. I mean, don't get me wrong, indicators do come, but to be honest, reading just prices for me just makes it more easier, more simpler in my head. A simple price action scalp trading. This could be a good scalp, bro. Like, yeah, grind a new high, then scalping is pretty nice. It is pretty simple, but you do have to like trade. You gotta make a lot of trades to like make up that shit. Beginner guide to day trading strategies. Bro, this is like a whole hour, bro. This is his strategy, I'm not gonna lie. I remember watching this. Dude, this is 10 million views, bro. Holy shit, why can I not hear something? Yo, what the fuck? Can y'all hear something? Yo, hello? Yo. Alright, you can't hear me, but I can't hear sound for shit. Oh.
As soon as we break 3750, buyers.
I was confused
From
for a
Willis
sec.
Tower, way up high, you'll see your city in ways you.
Concept. We're looking for stock. All right, everyone. Welcome to class 1 of our day trading course. So, as you guys know, my name's Ross Cameron, and this is our 8-week-long course in day trading. All right, so first chapter here, we're going to cover a lot of the basics, and we will get into more detail as we go. So you may have some questions today that will be answered in the coming days, but you can, of course, feel free to call out your answers. Okay, so those are going to be the stocks that have, therefore, a high level of retail interest. And what creates a high level? Instead, we should try to focus on the stocks that are going to have a very low level of institutional high-frequency trading. Okay, so those are going to be the stocks that have, therefore,
I'm a pattern trader. I trade patterns. I lose.
Retail interest or buzz.
I can't lose for results.
It's going to be news. Okay, so every single day I'm looking for the catalyst that's going to drive the small.
When price action is plotted on a chart.
Pattern trading. When price action is plotted on a chart, patterns are formed. I personally use candlestick charts. So each candlestick represents a period of time, and you can choose the time frame of the chart that you're looking at. You can choose daily charts, hourly charts, 5-minute charts, 1-minute charts, etc. I prefer 1-minute and 5-minute candlestick charts. Okay, here's an example of what a candlestick looks like. You have
Yeah, this is straight for beginner, guys. But I would recommend to watch this one. It kind of goes over everything right here. Volume. Yeah, it kind of goes everything through here. I recommend you guys to watch this, bro. To be able to work in 2023. It's great. He keeps updating it, which is cool. Working in 2023. But yeah, man, this is a great guide, bro. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty good. I wonder if he has like a. I think he has. Maybe he might have a playlist of strictly all beginner guide for you guys. It says anime, funny. Ross Cameron Day Trading Podcast. It says Burger Software Day Trading for Beginners. The basics. Oh, he does. How to read candlesticks, tactical analysis. It's a day trading strategy videos. We might have to watch some of that CPS. Oh, wow, he has a lot of playlists, bro. Holy shit. The beginner day trading course for YouTube.
This is Trey. He used our trading robot and passed 3 FTMO $100,000 challenge and got funded.
This is the one we're looking at, but this is the one. Where's this one? The second one.
What's up, everyone? All right, so today I'm driving into the office. It's a snowstorm in New England, but I'm in 2000 without what trades I was willing to take, so I wouldn't get myself, chewed up just burning commissions. So I was very selective.
What the? What do you mean 500? He went from 583.50 cents to 100K in 44 days. That's crazy, bro. You guys don't understand how crazy that shit is. My ear. No, you guys can see how crazy, bro. He kind of just showing like his stats, day trading strategy for basics. 3 of the class 3 of a 12.
Hey everyone,
4.
welcome to Warrior Trading. I want to do a quick video here to give you a sense of what it's like to be in our community. Make the most. I made over 12. I'm a little 61, over 70. I was hoping that we would stay above. What's up, everyone? All right, so today I'm driving into the office. It's a snowstorm in New England, and you can choose the time frame of the chart that you're looking at.
All right, bro. This is not one. Are we any strategy? Let's see.
What's up, everyone?
They trying to use using RV gainer, reversal, bind dip, scalping a strategy, how to day trade a bull flag pattern. I think that's like one of his favorite. Yeah, but low key, what I learned is like the same. You pull, it goes down, you buy at the new high, and then it just X07 do's and don'ts. X do's and don'ts of trading in a small account. How to use level 2. How to trade breaking news. The simple day trading strategy that Oh, my fucking year, bro. There's so much. Case studies, aka parabolic momentum. How to trade while working full time. Scalp only. Yo, how much video? Yo, he got hella videos in here. What the? With big spread. Oh, hell no. Trading with big spread. Hell no. How to manage position. That too is good. Damn, bro. I'm gonna lie. Yeah. Like, I get why he has this course, bro. Because dude, he has a lot of information here. You can find it. You can go and find it, bro. Like, honestly, he has everything you really need here. But it's super, like, you know what I'm saying, everywhere, you know. And you go to this course, it's more organized and all that stuff. So I can see why, bro. Yeah, it's kind of like that, bro. Like, the course is more more organized, but you could have everything is free on YouTube. But like, super, you get to do so many fucking videos. I just do that, bro. Like, I had to watch so many fucking YouTube videos, and I was like I wouldn't say law. At one point I was like, dude, I'm learning so much. What the fuck is important? What's not fucking important? Until you fucking actually like start trading, or you start actually paying attention, and you start like realizing. That's when you realize what is important and what's not important. And what I noticed, bro, like, I say learn as much as you can, but like I'm not gonna lie, like 20% of it is like 20 to 10% of like what you watch all the videos. Like 10% of them are really gonna be good information. Oh, damn, bro. I wonder if they have it, bro. Okay. Say Warrior Trading. I think they have the micro. Or they do micro pullback. I think this might be the one. How to buy the dip. This one also is a good video. Let's see. It's long. Okay.
Capital One's top-rated app looks out for you and your money,
Let's just go
so you can shop and bank.
But it's so good. I'm so tired. But actually, let's see. Oh, he goes. Wait, is this gonna go over all this? This is super important. Oh, this is one of like chapters 8, momentum trading. This is all you gotta really learn is risk management, the right stocks to trade, build a watch list, daily chart patterns, intraday chart patterns, level 2 tape, reading and hotkeys, gap and go, momentum trading, reversal trading, short sell momentum stocks, short selling momentum stocks, high speed breakout trading, stock scanning, position manage trade schedule.
Okay. Live broadcasting here. We'll give it just a second. Just gonna refresh over here. So thank you for those that are just getting tuned in. We're gonna get live broadcast, and I'll be
I
teaching
don't know. His prices are high.
how to buy the dip. So this
Oh
is,
shit, it went up.
well, this is something that has been very topical in the last year. Everyone's talking about buy the dip, buy the dip. So what does that mean? How does it work? This is a strategy ultimately of trading and investing, buying dips. So what I'm going to teach you today is actually an excerpt from the Warrior Pro curriculum. Obviously, I don't need to introduce myself. You guys who are tuned in here, you know who I am. You know I've been trading for a long time. You know probably that I took a tiny account, less than $600, and have now turned it into about $9.5 million in gross profit. That's gross before fees, taxes, commissions, things like that. So you can check out my statements on warriortrading.com down at the bottom if you want to see those. We do have them audited. And I should always say my results are not typical. The typical result for most day traders is that they lose money. Trading is very risky, and a lot of people who come into the market to trade actually find themselves simply gambling and losing money. So be very, very cautious as you approach trading, and you should trade in a simulator before you ever put real money on the line. So with that said, I do want to jump in here and teach you guys this class today about dip trading. So I do have the chat feed over on the side, so I'll be able to see some questions posted in real time as we're going through, and I'll also save some time at the end to do Q&A. Those that are tuning in just on audio, I'm going to try to be very articulate, so if you're just listening while you're driving or doing something else, I hope this will still be valuable for you and helpful. Again, this is an excerpt from the Warrior Pro curriculum. If you are interested in checking out our entire curriculum, go to warriortrading.com/strategy. warriortrading.com/strategy. There you'll see the entire curriculum, the Warrior Starter, the Warrior Pro, and everything else. My goal is to teach strategy. Now, that probably sounds like exactly what you've been looking for, and funny enough, it's not what most people teach. Most people teach general concepts of the market, which is all fine and well and very easy to teach, even if you're not a profitable trader. Many people who teach are not actually profitable. They teach, and that's fine. They're great teachers. They may not be profitable traders. I'm a profitable trader, and I want to teach you the strategy that I use every single day. This is primarily a momentum-based strategy. Remember that a strategy is a set of rules that you use to trade the market every single day. You have to be consistent in the way you apply or implement that strategy. Inconsistencies lead to losing trades and then lack of profitability, and ultimately that's not going to work. So I'm just going to kind of cut right to it, and let's get into strategy. Momentum trading is my strategy, which means I generally am trading instruments, and we'll define that further as stocks, which are shares of companies, that are moving up quickly. So if something is going sideways, I'm not interested. I'm looking for things that are moving up quickly. And dip trading is a component for me of momentum trading. Now, when some of the dip trades that I'm going to show you are going to be inverse, and it's a stock that has strong momentum, but it's actually going down, and I'm going to buy that dip for the reversal coming back up. Ultimately, this sort of mini class I'm going to teach you today is broken down into 3 styles of buying the dip. The first is buying what is really just simply a pullback. So a stock is generally strong, but starts to pull back, and you buy the pullback and then ride that momentum as it starts to curl back up through new highs. Easier said than done, but that's the summary of buying the dip in the first style. The second is buying a panic sell-off. So you have a stock that does a panic flush. It just tanks. It drops really, really hard, and it can be anywhere from 5%, 10%, 20%, it could even be 50%. It just is a huge washed-out flush, panic sell, and you buy and catch that spring right back up. You have to be careful because that's a very risky one. I'm going to show you live trading examples of each of these 3 types of dip trading. The third type of dip trading is when a stock has been selling off, it's at low of day, it's very, very weak, and you're buying anticipating that it's about to change directions. And I have an example of doing this on Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings during the big panic sell and everything else that was going on in 2020. Obviously, cruise lines were getting the stock prices were just terrible. They were dropping really, really hard. But we did get some nice dips off the low, or bounces off the low. So that's a little bit of a different type of dip trade, but when we talk about buying the dip, those are sort of the three types that we're going to review today. All right, so again, buying a pullback, number one, buying a panic flush, number two, and buying what's really more of a reversal, which is number three. All right, so
The two ones are the most. Remember, you know the one he's talking about, the one the panic sell and then buying the panic sell and then buying a weight bug. You saw how I tried to do that. It didn't go well. So we're gonna actually learn from the expert, bro. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm actually gonna see what the hell to do, because as you guys saw when I tried to do it, yeah, wasn't that one.
I do discuss dip trading both in Chapter 8 of the Warrior Pro class of Momentum Trading and Chapter 9 of Reversal Trading. Both of those chapters do discuss dip trading in these various forms. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in. Before I do, I'm going to put up my disclaimer and do a little intro video, and then we'll jump right in. Okay. All right, so why don't we go ahead and jump in here. Thank you, by the way, for everyone who's tuning in live. I appreciate you guys hitting the thumbs up, and hopefully you're subscribed to the channel. Okay, so this is the curriculum right here. This is going to be what we're going to cover today. So I'm going to full screen this. So Chapter 8, Technical Long Setup 8, the dip trade. All right, so this is setup number 1, which is a dip off support. And so this is the pullback type of setup. So we have a stock that's generally strong, but is experiencing a little bit of a pullback, and that for me is an opportunity to be a buyer. So let's look at an actual chart. This is a stock, as you can see here, that went from about $6.50 up to $9 a share. The stock was up well over 50% on the day. It was a big momentum stock. If you're curious about how I find these types of stocks, this would have been what we call a gapper. So it was gapping up. If you haven't checked out my video on gap trading, you should check that out as well. I'll put that link right down in the comments here. Gap and go. And you guys can watch that if you haven't already. All right, so this is a stock that was gapping up. Most likely it had some type of news catalyst, which is why it was moving up pre-market. At the open, so gray here is pre-market, and then when it turns dark or black charcoal, that's market open at 9:30. So of course stocks do trade in pre-market hours. At 9:30 the bell rings and it sells off. It pulls back a little bit. Around 9:45 it kind of tries to break over the volume weighted average price, which is a technical indicator. It's not able to. It gets back below it. It tries again around 9:50. Can't do it. And then it does break it just before 10 a.m. It squeezes up to 7:50. But then this ends up sort of double topping at its previous high a day around 7:50. Pulls back to the VWAP, but then off that level, it ends up curling, and around 10, whatever it is, 10:05, 10:10, it starts to break out to new highs. This second arrow right here represents a possible dip trade, and this would have been a dip off support, or in this case, a double bottom entry. So a double bottom, it had previously pulled back to a low of 773 on this candle, and you can see how some traders might prefer just to be a buyer over 823, which was the high of this candle here, or maybe even over the high of this candle here. Now I can get my drawing tool up here just to make it a little easier for you to see. So we're looking at right in this area for those who are watching the screen. So here's a double bottom dip. So an entry there at 773 is pretty nice because you can manage your risk against it being a previous double bottom. And then 750 is psychological support, the $0.50. But then just below that is the volume weighted average price. So you kind of have this support 1 and support 2 very close together. So a dip at 773, logical stop is probably around 750. You're risking around 23 cents a share. It immediately gets back over 8 and then squeezes over 823. Now this is a spot where me being pretty aggressive would probably start a position down here at 773 and add at $8, which moves my cost basis up to probably 785. And then I would add again at 823, which is going to move my cost basis up again, maybe to at this point about $8. So if I start with 5,000, add another 5,000, add another 5,000 shares, I would have about 15,000 shares of this type of stock at $8 a share. It then squeezes up to 850, does a micro pullback, and this is a scenario where in some instances I would take half off the table at around 850 for $7,500 of profit. And in other instances, I would add at 850 because now it's really showing some strength. It's proving itself. And so I could do anything from add another 15,000 shares and now be long 30,000 shares, but with an average of 825. And as it goes up to 9, that could become a $20,000 winner. Or I could just add another 5,000 shares. Cost basis is now maybe 805, 808, something like that with 20,000. As it goes up to 860, 870, I'm up $10,000 to $15,000 on this trade. So the initial entry, double bottom, dip right here. And I would have already known while it was consolidating right here that the previous low was 773, the low of that red candle. And so I would have been watching that level. If it dips down to that level, it's a possible dip or a pop right back up. This is a 1 minute chart, 1 minute time frame. A 5 minute chart you could have used as well. This would have been a 5 minute little flag pattern. Breakout traders, more often than not, would be buyers over 823, which is sort of the pivot, or over the actual high, which might have been like around 830. That's also a place where we would typically see short sellers cover at the highs. Usually if I'm long, my stop would be if it breaks below the low of a recent move. So if you're short, your stop would be if it breaks above the high, which in this case is right there. So that's why as it breaks through that level, we expect volume to come in. And we do see some nice volume right there. And then this is a 1 minute micro pullback right under the $0.50 of 850, psychological resistance. It breaks through and goes up here to 875 and breaks actually over $9. So that would have been a double bottom type of entry. You can even see on this one, however, that you could have possibly taken a trade right in this area as a dip off the volume weighted average price. You maybe could have done it right here, and that didn't really do a lot. It dipped again, and then it worked. So sometimes that can work. In this particular instance, I would also note that this appears right here to be a descending resistance line. So if you kind of draw it like that, you can see how the stock was below it, tapped it twice. So once it taps it twice, we would draw there and there. It ran into it here and couldn't break it. Then it got above it, but often when they get above it, they come back down and retest it. So we could also potentially call this a dip off of a descending support. These are all variations of buying a dip off support. You have ascending support, you have descending support, you have double bottoms, you have double bottoms at $0.50 and whole dollars, you have volume weighted average price. So we, in the classes, go into all of each of these variations sort of in detail with live trading archives so you can understand the differences. They're very similar, but they're different sort of circumstances for when I would trade them and when I wouldn't. Generally speaking, I'm going to be more bullish buying dips when a stock is trading above the volume weighted average price. Okay, so this right here is another double bottom. So this is a stock that you can see pre-market had a pretty big range. This is a candle, but it's on light volume, so we would typically consider that to be an algorithm. They created that candle, not a valid candle that was that red. So it goes sideways. You've got this low here at 405, which is right above the whole dollar, psychological support. Then it bounces up nicely. Now in this case, that's just a bounce off of whole dollar. I'm not really looking at that trade as much as I'm looking at this one right here. This is a dip right off 4. This is a double bottom entry. So you've got the low, you've got the second low right here, double bottom off of 4. And this is the type of trade where a dip trade, sometimes you'll just get 5-10 cents a share. If you're buying a double bottom off support of 4, it goes up to 410, 412. Sometimes you get a move all the way back to the highs, whatever those were. And you don't always know what it's going to do. But when I first get in, some of the things that I look for will be a bid stack. So on the level 2, I want to see a large buyer. So if there's a big buyer at $4, which I can, of course, see in market depth, then that might give me the confidence to punch the buy button at 401 or 402. If there's not a big buyer, I might not be certain it's going to hold, so might watch to see if it actually breaks and then gets back above that level, and consider the trade. And sometimes I miss the trade because when I'm thinking about getting in, there's a really big sell order. You know, there's a 50,000 share sell order at 405, and I'm thinking, I don't know. This is a double bottom, but you know, there's a big seller, so I don't think I can go ahead and buy the dip here with that big seller in the way. So it's not just the chart pattern. The level 2 also has to support the entry. I'm not gonna
I get it, but this most likely we're not gonna be trading these. I'm not gonna lie, most of these we're not gonna be trading these. I'm so tired. I wonder if it goes double bottom. No, it's just blur. Dip off support. Live example dip draw. Is this more?
an instant trade from 13.97, bounce off volume weighted average price out of a haul, going to such a big sell off from 47 down to 42. But in any case, so I added there for the breakover.
This is not more like the pullback. He didn't really talk about the pullback. More like, yeah, literally like off a dip and stuff. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm quite a bit tired. I feel like maybe later maybe learn some more. I just gotta find the right style. I think I'm gonna come prepare next time, because if it would just click any random video, not random video. Obviously, we're looking for something, but this is definitely something that I want to check. I have seen this before. It's just you know, like dude, come on. It's just valid, bro. Like all this thing you're learning here, honestly, very good information. So if you guys really want to just learn a strategy, bro, and really like good, go to this guy's channel. Honestly, there's a reason why he has a million subscribers, bro. Like literally, I learned everything from this guy, bro. Like, don't get me wrong, I looked at different channels, different channels and different videos from a lot of different people. I guess I think I could show. I don't know if is it this account that I did. Let's see, trading. Watch later. A lot. So if you see, I choose a lot of different variations of different people. You saw it here. There's just a bunch of different variations, and this is all great information, guys. This is all. I want to see one of my first. I wonder how low. That's the bottom. Oh shit! We didn't say. Look, the first every video that I was gonna watch later was Momentum Trading by Warrior Trading. It was this one, dude. And then I looked for Momentum Trading Stocks, and then Momentum Trading Strategy. How to read level 2, boom. Best Shopify. I don't know. I don't know. I was getting into Shopify a little bit. I was trying to see what's it about, and then I learned importance of risk management, position sizing, and then obviously trade slippage, because I was like, what the fuck is slippage? And then I learned what slippage is, and look, I just learned so much. Limit orders, stop limit orders, level 2, pros and cons, like do all this, bro. I learned all this. I was learning, guys. The ask hotkeys, because I don't know what the fuck they meant when they meant hotkeys. VWAP, I was like, what's VWAP? I don't say indicator, but what's the point of it? Boom. And I learned that. A lot of videos of VWAP. Holy shit. Price action. Now we're with that price action phase. You feel me? If you see, they go in order. You see. So what I used to do when I was learning stocks, right? I heard a lot of different terminology from different type of videos. So as you saw how they were learning like, oh, VWAP, slippage. And then now we're at price action, because I will hear these in videos. I'm like, oh, I need to know what that is. Let me write them down. So what I do, I'll get a paper. It was a weird side hardened paper, but that doesn't really matter. The point is, I got a paper, and I wrote down the different things I gotta learn. So if I'll write, but it will be random. Like I'll put, oh, what is the EMA? What's the volume? What is price action? What is what is that? And I will create a whole list. And I think I created up to, how much did I create? I think I created up to 4 different lists, and what I do, I'll fold them, and then the beginning will show, boom. I think I still might have. I'm not sure. I think it's in this folder, right next to my room, right here. Oh yeah, right here. Oh my god, I have them, bro. That's so crazy, bro. I have all of the. Holy shit, but this is so good to look back on. I wish I can show you guys, but do not have a camera. Maybe later in the future, like I said. So I have this one. I have this one. I don't know if I have the old one, but I have a lot. So I have, this is something else. Oh no, this is something else. No, this, I remember I used to do these too. I have a lot of these different. My Y. I think I changed it, right? I think I changed it. Skill. This is so. The successful. Money. The better. Oh, this is my first reason why I forgot. I remember I updated it because this one was cool. That's funny. But it's true though. So alright. Either way, I'm just looking back at some fucking cards. But I think I have around 3. I remember I had more. I remember I colored some. I think some of them might have been lost. But I do have the original ones, which is good. The updated ones doesn't seem like I have them. I remember updated as like maybe like a year ago. These are really old. This is when I first ever started. Oh my god, bro. So I think this is the first one. This is Step. The first one. That's what it's called. Step. That was just what's called out. That's what I named it. Step. So it's the paper. I open it up. It says set. Oh, I think I folded it wrong. Oh, steps to success. That's what I named it. There we go. So the first thing I ever wrote for steps was master a strategy. After that I said master risk management. After that it says what is spread and slippage. What's position sizing? What's the limit? You see how all that goes in order that we just saw? So first I was learning a strategy. So the strategy was momentum trading. So you learn trading. Harry level 2, but and then next second was learn risk management. Was that I thought risk management was fucking this. Read level 2, read the tapes, and then I kind of want, but then I started write down risk management, importance of risk management, and then slippage, and then after that I put position sizing. But this kind of like went along with this. So I was like, oh, it's the same shit, whatever. And then after that, we see it all goes along slippage. And then I learned about limit orders because that's what I wrote next. How to use limit orders. And then what is the bid and ask. And I think if we scroll out, you have to use limit orders. Pros and cons of limit orders. Dang, a lot. Stop loss. Oh my god, I watched a lot of videos. I'll take it. Yeah, because my orders were not getting filled because I was trading a demo account. So the only thing is, I was trading a demo account, which is the same platform I'm using right now. It's TDD, Thinkorswim. I was using that one. I was like, why am I not getting filled? I'm not getting filled at the price I want? Come to realize is that the reason why I wasn't getting filled at the price I wanted was because I was 15-minute delay. You know what I'm saying? That only the reason. But I thought that was something wrong with it, and then I searched up that, oh, it's because of slippage. And I'm like, oh, how do I fix slippage? Limit orders. And then I did where do I go on a bit in the ass? Damn. But either way, my point is, let's just read this, man. Oh my god. Alright. Point given, right? We go to steps. And this is the first thing, which is just a good step. Look, master strategy, learn risk management, what is spread and slippage, position sizing, how to use limit orders, what is to join the bid and join the ads, and how I use it. Now I know what it is. Join the bid is basically literally join the bid, which is the other side, bro. Though. And then after I learned that, I said how to use level 2, because when you join the bid and you join the ads, you gotta learn what the fuck the level 2 is. And that's when you start to realize what the hell is the level 2. And you see, guys, I use that in my trading now because it actually helps a lot. And then after that, I said how to get filled and how to get filled with limit orders. I was still confused because I was still mad that I wasn't getting filled. It says how to use hotkeys. And that was my last one for the steps. How to use hotkeys. You see, guys, I do use all things that I'm learning. I use now. Now I used to not use hotkeys. You just press the button, but now I do. You see, I press the hotkeys when I want to sell, take my order out, and then sell all my position. And then I made a second version. It's called Step 2. I think that's it. Did I name it to like step 2 to success? I think I did. Oh, I did. Yeah, steps 2 to success. After that, now, and I used to put check marks if I filled it out. It's funny. All right, let's see what we wrote down. It said how to read time in sales. Luckily, we read it super easy, but time in sales is basically the tape. This right here. Read the tape. Next, I said price action. Cool. Day trader psychologist. I put psychologist instead of putting psychology, but day trader psychologist. But aka what I meant to put is day trader psychologist. And next is how to trade high volume penny stocks. See, so I already was kind of getting into what I want to learn and how to learn, because I was looking into penny stocks because that's what I could afford, man. You know what I'm saying? I can't afford what Tesla, fucking the SPY and stuff, QQQ. I can't afford those type of tickers. It's really expensive, and I wasn't gonna. I think I learned options a little bit later, but options it's a little more. It's a different feel, and you know what I'm saying. I kind of want to stick to this one, but either way, my point is that's what I put down. How to trade high volume stock, which is basically stocks in play. It's if you got, I don't know if I ever got show. I think showing my stock, my watch list, especially those stocks up there. After that, I says learn what VWAP and how to use it in day trading. Cause I was trying to learn. I was still using the VWAP because I heard how many people were using it. So I was like, let me get to know. So I was still trying to learn that. How to get direct routing in the Thinkorswim. So direct routing is basically like faster orders and stuff, and like just getting it filled as quick. But yeah, man, I mean, I like the platform. Platform is pretty good when it comes to order. It's pretty good. How to trade morning rising / once market open. So I was trying to say, how do I trade the open? How do I trade right away when the stock market opens? I'm still trying to learn that, man. Still trying, but I get a little bit better understanding. How to find the right. What the fuck? Can I write? Oh, okay. There. How to find the right type stock for retail traders. That's how I wrote it, bro. How to find the right type stocks for retail trading. Yeah, because I didn't know where to go to find the stocks, bro. To be honest, you know how long it took me, guys, to finally find how to find stocks. It's the funny is this is the first guy that I went to find the high volume stock, and it took me so long because I didn't know where to go. I used to go to this platform. I think Fizzness. I'm pretty sure you guys heard about it, but that's where I used to fucking go to fucking like find my stocks. And trust me, guys, not good, especially when it comes to day trading. After I wrote that, I wrote how to find find a Thinkorswim setup for day trading. I think that I was trying to find like how I wanted it, how I wanted to look. Hey, you guys see it? I kind of made it. I had 3 screens: the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute, and then I had the time to sales and the level 2, and pretty much. So that's funny how that came out. But and then after that point, how to use a 9 EMA. What is a 9 EMA? So I put 2, how to use it and what it is, because what the fuck, I should have put that for what is the 9 EMA. But after that, so how to use the moving average indicators. And boom. So I'm telling you, I was into indicators. Trust me, guys. Do not fall into that trap, please, guys. Hold on. Let me just stretch. Anyways, don't fall into that trap. Indicators, don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong using indicators, guys. Obviously not. There's nothing wrong using them. But I'll tell you this, man. You will not learn.
The Planet Fitness, you can still join.
I'm trying to see like when did this came out, bro? Because you know how this is last updated November 1st. Look how long time. I wonder like when did I start watching this one? Let's to grab and remove. Move to top. Move to bottom. All right. But yeah, man, this is like the beginning. First ever person I watch was Warrior Trading. And now I use a strategy because it's very amazing. I like to use it. It's pretty cool. Awesome. And that was pretty much it. And then there's the other one, but I don't know what the other one's about. I do have more. I did have more, but I don't know what happens to those. I think they might. Like I said, I think they might fail. And I hope they did because I want to find them. Oh no, updated. This is the best strategy. Oh, this is a different type of strategy because I was trying to find my strategy, guys. I did not have a strategy. It took me forever, and I'm talking forever to find a strategy that I personally like and able to get used to. And even now, I barely. And you see, even now, I'm still finding the strategy that you're gonna use is gonna be really hard to find because it's gonna be the one that's gonna make you money. And you gotta realize how to use it. But this is what we were best strategies. First, master a strategy with its morning riser, gapping up, and momentum trading. See, so yeah, I was learning momentum trading. That's something that I fucking was trying to get into. And good thing I stick to it, man. So the master of the reversal strategy. You see, learn the support and resistance strategy. One of the most important. I don't care who the fuck says, but support and resistance is one of your fucking best friends. Trust me, guys. Stock, day trading, tax explained. Actually, I learned the taxes, bro. I still don't even know how to shit. How to find scanner, gap up, momentum stocks. That's what I'm trying to find. The indicate scanners. How to learn how to scale. That's the strategy of scaling. Chart patterns for momentum and going to the upside. That's when I was trying to learn like patterns, like the kind of stick. How to trade the open, and how the VWAP strategy. How to learn the VWAP strategy. And those are the strategies I was learning. Now I understand why I kind of always stick to momentum trading. That's because I never knew what the fucking trade I was trading. Like I'll see them, but I never knew what it was. And I'm pretty sure Brody said it one time, but I kind of remember. But yes, guys, I trade the momentum. I trade momentum strategies. All these I'm learning those. But that's pretty much it. I mean, I have more, but the other ones are other shit. Let me see. What's my folder? I think it's right here. But this is what I had, and then I had old shit too, bro. It's just crazy. I remember having my 2021 gold list. Do I have 2022 was, you know what I'm saying, get a stable job that I like. I didn't get a stable job that have a trading setup, which now I'm gonna have a little bit. I have a brokerage account, and that was an X. At 2022, I did not have a brokerage account. I recently got it, guys. I learned a skill, start trading, and yeah, I didn't have that markup. Start trading was later in my years. Pretty much that's it, man. And this was my old rules. I have two old rules. This is the oldest I think I had. What's your plan for this? Oh, I ask myself questions, so I answer. What is your plan for this setup? What is my risk to reward ratio? Where am I placing my stop loss? What is my position size? What is in control, the buyers or the sellers? That's a good question, bro. Is there strength behind the move? Does the volume in the level 2 look good for the trade? Plan where to exit. And then I updated it to very simple to stop loss. Where my stop going to be? Entry. Where I'm going to enter in the trade and take profit. Where I will take profits. Where I'll take profits. aka profit target. And these were, and then yeah, it's just simple. And yeah, man, this is what I wrote down. Shit was crazy. I think I'm pulling this. Keep on going. That's pretty much it though. But like, yeah, man, it's crazy. I have these. I forgot. I have these right here. And pretty much that's it. But I'm probably gonna end stream, guys. That's kind of, you know, we did a lot. Not a lot, but we did like random shit in this video. Fuck, I did not meant to press that. Fuck. Right here. There's some shit. I'm kind of tired. I'm gonna get up. To set up our position sizing, and we wrote it down. So we have pretty good stuff, man. Pretty good stuff. We have pretty good stuff. Yeah, so we did call it a bit. So we did what we were gonna do. Hold on, man. Let me just lock in. So first thing we did, most important, was finally position sizing, aka like, you know, finding the amount of shares I'm going to, the amount of pennies, I guess, the amount of pennies I'm going to lose per share, or the amount of cents to lose per share. And I kind of did that, and that's part of the most important, because coming into this new year, I'm literally gonna have, I don't know what I want to, I know what I'm gonna do, I just don't know how I'm supposed to set it up. Like, I don't know how I want to do it. You know, it's a lot. But other than that, I'm gonna get off, guys. I'm honestly tired as fuck. I'm tired as fuck. I can't wait for the New Year's. I'm telling you, guys, this is my last stream until my last stream for 2023 until next year, bro. It's gonna be very exciting, man. I have a lot of plans. The next time I'm gonna get on is on Tuesday, guys. Yeah, right. Tuesday is when the market open because the January 1st is New Year's and the stock market is not open on New Year's. I don't believe so. Only until Tuesday. So I'll see you guys on January 2nd on a Tuesday to a trade on my first ever trade of the new year and my new sizing. I know, bro. I'll see you guys tomorrow.